Matrices and determinants. Exercise 1.1 1 mark problems. First problem, if a equal to 1 minus 2 3 4, find 2a and 3a. Solution, given a equal to 1 minus 2 3 4, 2a equal to 2 into substitute the value of a. Now multiply 2 with all the elements given in the a. 2 into 1, 2 into minus 2, 2 into 3, 2 into 4. So by multiplying, we got 2 minus 4, 6, 8. 3a equal to 3 into substitute the value of a. Same like previous problem, we'll multiply 3 with 1, 3 with minus 2, 3 with 3, and 3 with 4. So by multiplying, we got the value as 3 minus 6, 9, 12. Second problem, if a is given, find 5a transpose. Solution, given a equal to 1 minus 3, 5, 6, 2, 4. We get a transpose equal to, we know to change the rows to column. Take the first row, we'll change to first column. Second row to second column. This is known as transpose of the matrix. Then 5a transpose equal to 5 into substitute a transpose. Then by multiplying 5 with the term, we got 5, 30, minus 15, 10, 25 and 20. Third problem, if a equal to 1, 2, 4, minus 1, 3, minus 2 and b equal to 3, minus 4, minus 1, 1, 5, minus 2, find a plus b and a minus b. Solution, given a and b, substitute the value of matrix a and b, then a plus b equal to, we have to add two matrices, addition with the respective terms, that is first term with another first term of the given matrix. One plus 3 equal to 4, 2 minus 4 equal to minus 2, 4 minus 1, 3. Similarly, we will get the second row. A minus b equal to, substitute the matrix A and B. Now subtract the term, first one with first. 1 minus 3 minus 2. 2 plus 4, 6. 4 plus 1, 5. 3 minus 1, minus 1 minus 1, minus 2. 3 minus 5, minus 2. Minus 2 minus of minus 2 plus 2, 0. Fourth one, if x plus y 3 2 minus y plus x plus next matrix 2 3 4 1 is equal to matrix 0 1 1 0, find x and y. Solution, given, now the respective terms we have to add it, that is x plus y plus 2 equal to 0. The respective terms we will add it. Same like the one more term is there, minus y plus x plus 1 equal to 0, we will add it. Now by simplification, we will write this equation. By adding, we get cancel y minus y. X plus x is 2x. 2 plus 1 is 3 equal to 0. Now by simplifying, take 3 to the other side, becomes minus 3. So we got x as minus 3 by 2. Y equal to x plus 1. Now substitute the value of x. By the given simplification, we get minus 1 by 2. Fifth problem, if matrix is given, we want to find the value of x. Solution, given matrix we wrote, now compare the terms, that is x square x 2x equal to minus 1. Now split this 2x as x plus x. Now from the first two terms we can take x common and we can write like this. Now again taking x plus 1 common, we got x plus 1 into x plus 1 equal to 0. That is x plus 1 whole square equal to 0. From this we got x plus 1 equal to 0. Take the 1 to the other side, we got x as minus 1. Sixth problem, if A is equal to a matrix is given, we want to find A minus A transpose. Solution, given A, find A transpose. We know that to change the rows to column, that is, see the first row will change to column, first column. Second row we will change to second column. Third row will change to third column. This is known as transpose of the matrix. Then A minus A transpose, substitute the values. So by simplification, we got the value as 0. Seventh one, if A is equal to 2 minus x, x minus 7, find A plus A transpose. Solution, given A equal to, find the A transpose. We know that to change the rows to column, like first row to first column, second row to second column. Then A plus A transpose equal to, substitute the values of A and A transpose, add the terms. 2 plus 2, that is 4. Minus x plus x, 0. X minus x, 0. 7 minus 7 minus 7 minus 14. Eighth problem, if A, B, C is given, we want to find 2A minus 3B minus C. Solution, we get 2A equal to 2 into A. We know how to multiply that. Multiply 2 with 1, 2 with 2, 2 with 3, 2 with minus 1. So we got the values. Similarly, 3B equal to 3 into B. Again multiply 3 with all the terms. 3 into 2, 3 into 5, 3 into minus 3, 3 into minus 1. We get 6, 15, minus 9, minus 3. Hence, the given question 2A minus 3B minus C equal to, substitute the value of A, B and C. By simplification, taking the first term, 2 minus 6 minus 1, 4 minus 15 plus 1, 6 plus 9 minus 4, minus 2 plus 3 plus 3. We got the values. Ninth problem. Find the matrix A. B is given, we want to find A. Solution. Given B, 2A plus B equal to, this is given. Take the B to the other side. When B comes this side, it becomes minus B. Substitute the matrix B as given. Now subtracting the terms, we got the values. Take the 2 to the other side and divide it. So by division, we got A value as this. 10th problem. If A equal to 3 minus 1, 4, 5, find x such that A minus 2x equal to 1, 4, 2 minus 3 is given. Solution. Given A and they are given A minus 2x equal to 1, 4, 2 minus 3 is given. Now substitute the matrix A. Now take the 2x to the other side and the matrix 1, 4, 2 to the other side. So when we take to the other side, minus 2x becomes plus 2x. Now subtract the matrix, we get 2 minus 5, 2, 8 equal to 2x. Now divide by 2, then the final answer x equal to 1 minus 5 by 2, 1 and 4. 11th one. If A plus B plus C equal to 0, where the matrix A and B is given, we want to find the matrix C. Solution. Given the matrix A plus B plus C equal to 0, substitute the given matrix A and B. We know the matrix addition. Add the matrix A and B, we get. Now take the matrix to the other side, it becomes minus. Multiply by the minus sign, we get minus 5, 2, 2 minus 2, 2 minus 7. 12th problem. If the matrix A and B is given, verify A minus B transpose equal to A transpose minus B transpose. Solution. Given matrix A, find its transpose, changing the rows to column. Then matrix B is given, we know to change it to rows to column, finding the B transpose. Then A minus B equal to subtract A minus B. By subtracting, we got these values. Then we can find A minus B transpose. Name it as equation 1. And B transpose minus A transpose equal to, subtract this A transpose minus B transpose, keep it as equation 2. From equation 1 and 2, we get A minus B transpose equal to A transpose minus B transpose. By verification, we have proved this.